Also known as scallions or green onions, spring onions are essentially very young onions harvested before the bulb fully develops. Both the elongated, slender green stalks and the petite white bulbs are edible and suitable for consumption both raw and cooked. Their mild flavor distinguishes them from mature onions, making them a preferred choice for those seeking subtler tastes. Conveniently available year-round and easy to grow from seeds in a home vegetable patch, they are a versatile addition to any kitchen garden. Spring onions offer various health benefits due to their nutritional composition. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, they possess anti-inflammatory properties useful in combating illnesses such as colds and flu. Additionally, they aid in managing conditions like high blood pressure and exhibit antifungal properties. Moreover, their consumption is linked to alleviating stress and fatigue, contributing to overall well-being. Their inclusion in one's diet serves as a flavorful and healthful addition, offering both culinary enjoyment and potential wellness benefits. Whether incorporated raw into salads, stir-fries, or soups or used as a garnish for various dishes, spring onions provide a burst of flavor and nutrients. Their ease of cultivation ensures a readily accessible source of freshness and vitality for home cooks and food enthusiasts alike. This means that you can use these super healthy foods to treat your sore throat, to alleviate the symptoms of the cold and the flu, reduce swollen legs, etc. Here's what you need to do. Sore throat, here's what you need to do. Just chop the spring onion into small pieces, and you can add grated ginger and some salt to it. Put the sliced ingredients together in a cloth bag or cloth and warm up. Wrap the warm compress in another cloth or towel and put it on the sore area, throat, chest, palms, or back. You will be amazed by the results. So, when you have problems with a sore throat, you should try this simple trick. Swollen legs, here's what you need to do. Just cook the spring onions for a few minutes. Then, you need to blend them in a blender, until you get a paste mixture. Apply the paste on the swollen legs. This recipe has been used for hundreds of years and it is very effective and useful. Runny knows, here's what you need to do. You need to mash the spring onion and soak a cotton ball or pad in its juice. Then, you need to apply this wet compress on the nose and the sinus area. We really hope you find this video helpful and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.